Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright, let's see what we got going on here today. Remember guys, I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I'm not trying to teach you anything. I'm not trying to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more picture. It's not enough for them. And they want action. Remember guys, I also want to do a video in Spanish and then voy a hacer el video en español al final. Alright guys, I think we have here is a concrete saw. Maybe it's a 400, I'm not sure. It comes with this, the muffler, and that's me. Remember, in case you're new in my store, I take everything apart like that. I can throw pictures. I also sell for parts, not to repair. If you're trying to repair this machine, you're making a big mistake because it's a broken machine. This is my handle. This is not your handle. This is the one that I use, okay, guys, to test the machines. This one didn't come with it. Alright, let's see what we got going on here. Let's open this baby a little more. Ooh, look at that. Remember guys, this is for parts. Everything is dirty. Alright. Let's close this. Let's go by the front. Maybe we can get a better shot from here. When I throw the flash, maybe the light will come a little better, okay? It's just I don't have that much light to throw inside there. Let me, if I try another way. Oh yeah, right there, you see? I got an idea. Let me hold that for a second. Let me get this. Let me see if it works. If I do this, no. There's no way I can do it. No, it doesn't help. I had to invent something better. Sorry about it, guys. Let me throw bad invention. I was trying to do like a light inside, but the way it is designed doesn't let me. Alright, let's keep going. We got here the carburetor. Remember, I put everything back. Let me put down the acceleration here. Not this one, the other one. Let me grab it here. Let me do it with a hand. See if we can see a little peak inside there. There. You got this side right here. You got a coil, the flywheel. You got a coil there. I guess, woof, look at that baby. We're gonna need to do a cleanup on that baby if you want to give it a shot. You know what? I think if we want to give it a shot, I don't think it would be good. Let's give him a little cleanup here, real quick. You have to become a dentist here in this business. Easy. Let me show you there. I will throw pictures inside here when I take my hand off, okay? And I will put everything back and throw some pictures. Alright guys, let's give it a shot to see where we are. Okay. See me there good. Maybe I have to move a little back. Let me see. Yeah, I guess you can get a little shot there, alright? Alright, let's leave it there. Alright, you know what? Let me try something different. Let me put it on this side instead of putting it so far away. Maybe I got a better shot. Let me see there. No. Oh, you didn't get any better shots. I have to change this thing that I'm doing this. It's not good. It's not going down completely. That's a problem that I have. Alright, let's see what we got. Alright guys, we're gonna give it a shot. You see, working a little far away, yeah. That's what I have to do. I'm working too close, and maybe that's a problem. I want to start working a little far away. Alright, see what we got. We're gonna throw a little of the pressure liquid inside. to see if we can do some damage with this baby. Wow, yo, easy, Robert, easy. You know how I get when I got the magic liquid in my hands. I get out of hands. I cannot help it. Sorry about that. Let me see if you can see me now. Here a little bit. You see? We're going down. All right, we're going to give it a shot. All right. Ugh. Too early for me. Woof. I don't want to. Going. It's Sunday. I'm gonna be doing this. Alright guys, remember this is my hound. I'm gonna take it apart. I'm gonna throw better pictures of everything. And you got it here for parts. Any questions are here. You like what I'm doing, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Where you, like that you can receive every time I receive new stuff. I got more new stuff. Alright guys, thank you. Hola mi gente, ¿qué me dice la raza? Ustedes saben como para ustedes los que entienden los domingos son días débiles, para nosotros los machitos ya no valemos nada. Ay coño. Ok, mi gente, si son nuevos en mi canal, recuérdense que yo desarmo todo para tirar fotos. Recuérdense que yo vendo para partes. Ok, estos son máquinas rotas, son máquinas damage, máquinas que tienen problemas. Son para piezas, no son para arreglar. Aquí tiene, creo que esto es una 400, no estoy seguro. El handle es mío, recuérdense, el handle viene incluido. Cuando tire la foto lo van a ver. De ahí para allá, no sé si el coil está funcionando. No me gustó mucho la separación que tiene el coil. Para ustedes que saben más que yo. O puede ser que esté sucio, está muy separado, pero me parece que hay un problema ahí. Bueno, voy a poner todo para atrás. Y ahí están viendo más o menos. Viene siendo más el carapacho que otra cosa. Para alguien que está armando una. Aquí lo tienen. Bueno mi gente, cualquier pregunta aquí estamos, que se una a la raza.